Gravity is pulling things down all around us. As the saying goes, what goes up must come down. But what if I told you that I could defy gravity with magic? Except it's not magic, it's science.
Jocelyn!
Like a loyal friend, gravity is always around, keeping us grounded. But it's not the only force in town, which is why some things appear to defy gravity, like airplanes, mosquitoes, and even birds. Well, some kinds of birds. These things are able to stay in the air because there are other factors helping them out. We can see this with a hairdryer and a ping pong ball. After you've finished getting ready in the morning, place your hairdryer on the cool setting and put your ping pong ball on top. The ping pong ball floats because the hairdryer creates a cone of air that's moving faster than the surrounding air. As long as the ball stays in the cone of air, it will float. You can try tilting it. You can try bouncing it. And for our grand finale, we need a toilet paper roll. Toilet paper roll. When air moves through the toilet paper roll, it's going to go even faster. Watch what happens to the ping pong ball. The ping pong ball gets sucked into the air that's moving even faster than before and then launched upward. This activity shows something that scientists call Bernoulli's principle. The fast-moving air from the hairdryer is creating a low-pressure environment compared to the surrounding air. And that's how you do magic. I mean, science. Subscribe to my channel for more science together and look out for your next discovery. Bye!